Hi folks. I've added a new feature to Pepper that allows you to import files and folders that you've created in previous courses into a new course. And this is helpful when you're setting up a new course for the new year. So for example, I've got a course here called My Test Course that's currently empty. And let's suppose I've got an old course here called Demonstration Course that I taught several months ago, and it's got a bunch of information that I'd like to move into the other course. So I'll show you how to do that. First, you go into the new course, click on Admin, select Import Folders. Then it will ask you which community we want to import from. So scroll down until you find the course that you taught before. Click on it. Now these are all the folders that were in the old course. So you click on the ones that you want to import into the new course. It might be all of them, in which case you can click on Select All, or it just might be a few of them. So I'm going to do just a few of them because I don't want to copy over an awful lot of stuff. Maybe these. And then once I'm ready, I say Import Folders. It may take a little while to copy over everything. And there we go. And when I say close, the folders appear here. So they've all been moved in. And if I click on them, I can see that the notes have been brought in, the images have been brought in, and any attachments, they've also been brought in as well. And so that's how you do it. And then after you bring them in, you can move them around. Now, I just want to point out that it only brings in your notes. So it won't bring in any student notes in from the other course or notes from other people. It'll just bring in your notes that you created in folders before. It brings in folders, but it also brings in subfolders and subfolders of subfolders and so forth. But again, it'll restrict itself just to the notes that you've written. When you bring in sometimes when it brings in the notes, like this one here, I agree, this was likely a response to something that a student wrote. And you won't want that note in your new course. So what you can do is just click on the ones that you don't want to keep in your new course, go up to Tools here, and say Delete Check Notes, and then they're gone. So after you import things, go through each folder carefully and make sure that all the notes that are there are ones that you want to keep for the new class. Okay, thanks. Let me know if you have any questions.